If you're trying to learn editing and get your style in Lightroom, curves is what you want to focus on. So why do curves change so much photo to photo or style to style? It's because curves are responsible for style way more than other tools. So I did over 500 Lightroom tutorials, recreating styles, trying to match styles, recreating pros edits. I did 500 of those. So I learned that the curves make up 70, 80, 90% of your edit, and they make up 90% of your style. So these three presets are different because they are curve presets from different styles. So you're just getting the curves, so we can reset it, and then you can see the style that this curve was meant to do. So you can click on the photo, copy settings, and paste it onto your other images. I like doing that a lot more than working with presets down the side here. It just gets overwhelming and just a bit of a mess, to be honest. And I love having the reference, so you get to see the type of shot that this preset or these curves are trying to emulate. You're not getting all the settings, you're just getting the curves. But after doing 300 matching style tutorials on YouTube, I've created just about every style there is. Curves are just by far the most important tool to your overall edit, and especially for style. So that's why these curves change so much photo to photo, because all these different photographers have different styles. This can be a really good learning tool. If you have this in Lightroom, you are looking at the different curves, and then you're looking at the image or the edit it's intended for. So this is one of the things that really let me learn fast, was getting to see all these different perspectives of editing, and then that let me let it all click for me. What styles need what curves, how to push color, and get these results from the pros onto your images. So I didn't take these images. These are from guest editors in the course where they are supplying us with their great styles. You can go and download these curves as DNGs, and these are super useful learning tools. So you can copy the settings, paste them onto your photos. And yeah, it's a great new method of trying to learn and go towards your style. This is what let it all click for me, is learning all these different perspectives pros use to get their styles, especially the curves.